Good morning, friends. Today's topic is very important. Many people get confused here. Today, we are learning why ChatGPT feels intelligent. Okay, does ChatGPT really think like a human, or is something else happening? Today, we will understand clearly. First, one simple statement. I will save the screen. 1 minute. Yes, friends. Today's topic: why ChatGPT feels intelligent. Day 7. Day 7. Why ChatGPT feels intelligence. Memory illusion and probability thinking. Probability thinking. Okay. Next. First, one simple statement. Please remember this line from the beginning. ChatGPT feels intelligent. ChatGPT feels intelligent, but it does not think like humans. But it does not think like humans. This single line removes your fear. Why do people feel ChatGPT is intelligent? Why do people feel ChatGPT is intelligent? Because it talks nicely. It talks nicely. It answers clearly. It uses good English. It remembers what we said a minute ago. It remembers what we said a minute ago. So people think, wow, this is like a human brain, but this is not true. Is it not true? Important Important truth. ChatGPT does not think. ChatGPT does not understand like humans. ChatGPT does not have emotions. ChatGPT does not have real memory. Okay, concept in one line. ChatGPT feels intelligent because it predicts the next word very well. Predicts the next word very well using probability. Using probability and remembers recent conversation only. Remembers recent conversation only. Not because it thinks like humans. Why this concept is important? Why this concept is important? Removes fear about AI. Removes fear about AI. Helps use ChatGPT correctly. Prevents over trust in AI answers. Key points to remember. ChatGPT does not think. ChatGPT does not understand like humans. Not understand like humans. Okay, understood? It predicts in text word by word. Uses probability, not logic like humans. Remembers only recent messages. Only recent messages. Memory is temporary, not permanent. Memory is temporary, not permanent. Okay. Next, then why does it feels intelligent? There is two main reasons. There is two main reasons. Please remember this. Please remember this. Two main reasons. Two main reasons. Memory illusion. Memory illusion. Oh, second one is probability thinking. We will understand both slowly. Slowly. Reason one. Memory illusion. First, understand this word illusion. ILLUSION. Illusion means something that looks real. Something that looks real. Real. but is not real. Okay. Does ChatGPT have memory? Does ChatGPT has memory? Answer. Yes or no? No. Okay. Very good. ChatGPT does not have real memory like humans. Humans remembers childhood. Humans remember childhood, schools, friends, past conversations. ChatGPT does not. Then why does it feels like memory? Then why does it feels like memory? Because ChatGPT remembers only current conversation. Only current conversation. This is called context window. This is called context window. Simple explanation. When you talk to ChatGPT, it remembers messages. It remembers messages inside the same chat. Inside the same chat. It forgets everything after chat ends. New chat means new chat means zero memory. New chat means zero memory. Okay. Daily life example. Teacher writes something on the blackboard. Okay. Student can see it only while it is written. While it is written. Then teacher erases the board. Student cannot see old content. ChatGPT works like that. Blackboard was like that. Blackboard. Another example. You talk to a shopkeeper daily. Tomorrow you meet again. Women's shopkeeper may remembers you. Women's shopkeeper may remembers you. Chat GPT will not remember you in a new chat. Okay. Important point. Important point. This is not real memory. Chat GPT is not real memory. This is temporary memory. Temporary memory. So remember, Chat GPT has context, not memory. Chat GPT has context, not memory. Present. Probability thinking. Number two, probability thinking. This is the most important part. Please listen carefully. How humans think. How humans think. Humans think using experience, emotions, understanding. Humans think using experience, emotions, understanding. Example, you feel hungry, you eat food. You feel hungry, you eat food. How ChatGPT works? ChatGPT does not think. ChatGPT does prediction. Prediction of what? Very simple sentence example. Simple sentence example. Student. Sentence. I drink tea in the dash. What are possible words? Morning, evening, office. Okay. ChatGPT checks which word is most likely. It chooses one based on probability. This is very important. ChatGPT does not know what T is. What T is. ChatGPT does not know. It does not feel morning or evening. Okay. It only knows most people use this word here. That is probability thinking. That is probability thinking. Many words are possible. ChatGPT selects one with the highest chance. Why answers look women? Why answers look women? Because ChatGPT is trained on books, articles, websites, conversations. Books, articles, website, conversations. So its probability guesses is very, very, very strong. Okay. That is why answers look natural. That's why answers look natural. Daily life example. Very important. Very important. Please listen very carefully. Example one. Mobile keyboard. Mobile keyboard. You type, I am going to. Okay? I am going to. Keyboard suggests school, office, home. School, office, home. Keyboard is not thinking. It predicting. Same idea. Example two. Second example, Google search. You type how to learn. How to learn. Google autocomplete. It predicts based on past data. Past data. Third example, ChatGPT. You type your question. ChatGPT predicts next word, then next word, then next word, then next word, then next word by word, sentence by sentence. Okay? Two main reasons, very important. Two main reasons. Memory illusion. ChatGPT remembers only current chat. Old messages disappear after some time. New chat equal to new no memory. New chat is no memory. This is context window. This is context window, not real memory. Probability thinking. Many, many next words are possible. ChatGPT chooses one based on probability. That is why answers look natural. Prediction, not thinking. Prediction, not thinking. Simple daily life example. Sentence one. I drink tea in the possible words morning, evening. Okay. ChatGPT chooses on one based on probability. Probability. One based on probability. Okay. Next, simple flow. Simple flow. Simple working flow. Please remember this flow. Input text, context, input text, context, input text to context, context to probability, context to probability word, next word, probability next word, final answer. Okay, input, context, probability, next word, answer. Okay, why ChatGPT feels intelligent? Summary. Why ChatGPT feels intelligent? ChatGPT feels intelligent because it predicts language very well, very well. It uses short term context, not because it thinks. Important warning. Exam plus real life. Exam plus real life. Never blindly trust ChatGPT. Okay. Never blindly trust ChatGPT. Why? It can sound confident. Okay. It can be wrong. It can be wrong. It does not verify truth. Use ChatGPT as assistant, helper, not a decision maker. Okay. Interview exam. Interview or exam questions. Question. Why does ChatGPT feels intelligent? ChatGPT feels intelligent because it predicts the next word occur accurately using probability and uses short-term context, not because it understands like humans, not because it understands like humans. Does ChatGPT have memory? No. ChatGPT has only short-term context, not real memory. Common confusions to avoid. Common confusions to avoid. ChatGPT is not ChatGPT is not conscious. Conscious. Okay. It ChatGPT has no emotions. ChatGPT is not conscious. ChatGPT has no emotions. ChatGPT does not remember past charts. Past charts. Okay. ChatGPT predicts text step by step. Step by step. Simple flow, easier to remember. Input text to context, context to probability, probability to next word to next final answer. Interview points. Why does ChatGPT feel intelligent? Because it predicts the next word accurately using probability and uses short-term context, not because it understands like humans. Does ChatGPT has no it have memory? No. It has only short-term context memory. Common confusions to avoid. ChatGPT is not conscious. ChatGPT does not remember past chats. ChatGPT predicts text step by step. ChatGPT feels human due to language quality. Due to language quality. Okay, next. One line to remember. Very important. Very important. ChatGPT feels intelligent, but it is only good at prediction. Only good at prediction. ChatGPT feels intelligent, but it is only good at prediction. Quick self check. ChatGPT thinks like humans. Yes or no? ChatGPT thinks like humans. Yes or no? No. ChatGPT uses probability to answer. ChatGPT uses probability to answer. Yes or no? Yes. That's all, friends. Okay. That's all for today, friends. Thank you.